So, happy March 16th. March 16th, and we're in the state of Ohio. Things are blooming. Like, this is the first time in a long time I remember in March that things are blooming. It started getting really warm. I was getting really excited, and then Ohio happened. So, of course, it got cold, and we've had nothing but snow. A lot of snow, and a ton of salt thrown on the ground, so... Oh, let me get through this corner. Oh, and this corner too. I like taking corners when I'm on the Black Spider because it's really, really, really fun. But yeah, Ohio happened and it snowed and it's been horrible and it's salt. So therefore I can't bring out the White Spider, but the Black Spider has been through everything and it doesn't mind a little salt because it says you can't hurt me already more than I've already been just hurt. So there you go, mandang. We're gonna put a mandang on that one too. And you're gonna have to excuse me today. I just got off work. And oh no, that was a big old fire. That sucks. How fast can I go through this corner? Me. Oh, I could have downshifted. I could have, shoulda, woulda. But I just got off work and my brain is a little squishy still. I didn't think I was going to get a ride today, but things worked out. Now here I am. I'm following this truck. I've been following this truck since I left town. And it's got a little sticker on the right side back glass that says, "Silly boys, trucks are for girls." But she's moving. I mean, I'm doing 65 miles per hour, and so I'm cool with this pace. She's letting me get all that energy out of me. I noticed when I haven't ridden for a while, I might not ride the slowest. We will say that. Okay, now see this little piece of property? I could take something like that down in Tennessee. Nothing special at all, but Tennessee. So, with her being in front of me, number one, it's keeping me on the slower side, but yet she's going quick enough that I'm getting what I want out of this ride, and that is some really pretty farmland out that way. I dig it. And this is just a little hour loop out and around and through and over yonder, and you know, then I'm back home, and this is what I need today. And it's been a minute since I've done this loop. Bloop, bloop. And it's been a minute that I've been on my Black Spider. And every time I get on this thing, I'm just like, oh my goodness, this thing is so much fun. I still believe that if you're not just straight out touring, even if you are straight out touring, this Can-Am Spider, the F3, is a do anything, everything Spider. Oh, she's leaving me. Oh no. Well, what am I gonna do? I guess we'll just do this. Get on the brakes, get through the corner, downshift a little bit. Yep. That's how we ride the Spider. It's very windy on this side. A lot of turbulence. So like I said, if you're only going to have one Spider, you can't go wrong with the F3. It is wicked quick. Oh, I might as well just put it in 6th gear. Me messing around, don't even have it in 6th gear. Get through these little twisties. I will slow down. That's what I'm trying to say. I'll slow down. Bring, grab a couple gears. Go through here nice and easy because I can't hold myself on. Come down, grab that, swing back out. That's how you do it on an F3. See, that truck needs to get back in front of me because I'm just being stupid. There we go. So I had the recall done on this thing. I think it went pretty good. I still even haven't looked at the pulley. I want to look at the pulley and at least make sure it's the right color. Not that I don't trust the shop. I just want to look at it. And this thing is running really good. And I can't wait to get started on it. Well, I clutch in and blow out every single knuckle on my left hand. Hee. Third gear, and it just so much torque. So much torque. Ooh. Go ahead and grab. Still third gear. Wow. So with it geared differently, I you know, ride this white Spider a lot more than I do this thing. What's up, Mr. Goldwing? And you know, sometimes I'm looking for an extra gear on this, sometimes I'm in a lower gear on the white Spider. It happens. You know, so it's time to get this old girl cleaned up, and I'm hoping here in the next couple weeks, number one, I can find a place to actually store this Spider. I got the white Spider and the blue bike underneath that little tent thing, metal frame tent, I guess would it be. So I need to get a place for this, and then we're going to just start going through it. We'll do whatever I can for as long as I can, and then we'll stop. So you know, I want to get it cleaned up. Number one, it just needs cleaned up. So we need to do that. We got, well, man, I got so much stuff for this thing, you know. So then we can just do a bringing it back to life thing, and you know, a little bit at a time. We'll just take something off, clean it, fix it if it's broken, put it back on, go for a ride. A lot of farmers are cleaning up the trees along the little creeks and drainage ditches. I've noticed huge piles of debris. Oh, here's that road. I'm gonna do it one day. I might do it just to do it. Boom, I'm gonna go straight. I'm not gonna be paying attention. I'm gonna go straight, and then it's gonna turn to gravel, and I'm gonna be going, oh my, what am I gonna do now? Yeah, so I cannot wait. I cannot wait to start doing that. This is going to be the fastest I've taken this loop. Just need to calm it down a little bit. Just bring it down a notch. Cornfield. And then if you build it, they'll come, right? Yep. Look at that, looking nice. It's just gorgeous out here. Just enough elevation, you know? Just enough elevation. And it is so loud right now in this helmet. Hey, moo cows. What's going on, moos? Oh, that wasn't big. I was like all downshifting and on the brakes like it was going to be, you know, just a crazy corner. Look at that nice little pond. So on that, give me a big old thumbs up for the Ramblings today. Look at that big old equipment. Dig that, dig that. Big old disc. Gonna disc up the field. Okay. See, I'm telling you, you get off work and it's just nothing but squirrels. Squirrels running around up there. So like I said, big old thumbs up if you like the Ramblings today. Stay safe. I'll see everybody down the road. Oh, there's a thingy in my way.